The Stwei 2020 for new car multimedia system, available on Aliexpress, represents a significant leap forward in bringing cutting-edge technology to Mercedes-Benz C-Class W205S205 models. Equipped with Bluetooth 5.0 technology, the Stwei 2020 system delivers clearer sound quality and robust connectivity, even at higher speeds. This ensures that calls are crystal clear and music playback is immersive, enhancing the overall in-car audio experience. The Stwei 2020 system boasts impressive specifications designed to meet the demands of modern drivers. Powered by a Qualcomm 8-core processor with a maximum frequency of 2.0 GHz, it ensures smooth and responsive operation even during intensive tasks. With 8 GB of running memory and 128 GB of storage, users can enjoy ample space for apps, media, and data storage, providing a seamless user experience without compromise. One of the standout features of the Stwei 2020 system is its support for both iOS and Android wireless CarPlay, as well as Android Auto. This capability allows for effortless integration with smartphones, enabling seamless interaction between your mobile device and the car's multimedia system. Whether you prefer the familiarity of Apple CarPlay or the flexibility of Android Auto, the Stwei 2020 system ensures a perfect connection every time. A notable feature of the Stwei 2020 system is its split-screen capability, allowing simultaneous display of navigation maps and video content. This multitasking ability ensures that drivers and passengers can stay informed and entertained without compromising safety or convenience. The Stwei 2020 new car multimedia system sets a new standard for in-car connectivity and entertainment. With its powerful hardware, stunning display, seamless smartphone integration, and innovative features like split-screen functionality, it represents a comprehensive solution for Mercedes-Benz C-Class W205S205 owners looking to upgrade their driving experience.